Golf. This is a 2009 Volkswagen Golf City. These odd-looking things were sold exclusively in Canada and is essentially a stripped-down version of the regular Golf with a focus on affordability. These only came equipped with a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine pushing out an eye-watering 115 horsepower to the crank. They still share the same interior, suspension, drivetrain, and some exterior pieces to the regular Mark IV, so parts can be had for pretty cheap. Now, back in the day, if you were looking for a cheap new car to get you around, it'd be kind of stupid not to buy one of these. With the higher option cars coming at a little under 17 grand, you got things like remote power locks, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, alloy wheels, stability control, heated seats, and a sunroof. It was meant to be honest, reliable transportation to get you where you need to go, and it did just that. Now, I'm no stranger when it comes to owning Volkswagens. I've had your Mark IVs, a few air-cooled Beetles. I would say my favorite drivetrain out of everything I've owned so far would be the TDIs, because you get a ridiculous amount of torque if you modify them. You gotta modify them, you get a whole bunch of torque, it's all down low, and you're commuting for the most part, so that stuff is amazing in traffic, or if you want to just bomb up on the highway. Kind of miss it, honestly. This 2-liter ain't nothing to write home about. It'll do the job. You know, this engine will get you there, but not very fast. So I got a whole bunch of plans with this car, and I know it's a city and it's a 2-liter, so why the hell would I waste my money on that? It's because I haven't really seen this particular thing done with cities too much, and I bought it as a winter bomb anyway, so why not do what I'm gonna do with it? All right, so here we are with the car in detail. I haven't cleaned it at all since I bought it, mainly because I wanted to film it. So we're gonna buff the headlights a little bit. I'm gonna try to use the carpet extractor on the carpets, seats, wipe down all the plastics, dress everything so it looks nice and new. Maybe wash it, not quite sure, we'll see, but I'll show you what we're looking at. Okay, so what I learned real quick this morning is that my freaking taillight leaks water, which is fun because I opened the trunk and it rained inside the trunk. The sunroof is leaking as well, which is also super fun. Love that. Every Mark IV I own has a leaking sunroof, so I'm getting water pulled up on the floors, and the headliner's sagging pretty bad, so I didn't want to take the headliner out of this car because every Mark IV I've had, I've ripped the headliners out of it because they're all bad. But this looks like another case where I'm gonna have to take the headliner out, you know, make sure the tubes are all connected and clean them out. But yeah, this is gonna be the brunt of the dirt, pretty much is, oh no way, I just realized that. Sorry, this is my first time owning a City, and on any other Mark IV I've ever freaking owned, this is a plastic cover that you can switch out for like an aluminum one, just like you can with your pedals and such. But yeah, it's actually just straight up part of the carpet on the Cities. No way, I hate that. But yeah, so we're gonna vacuum the carpets. I'm gonna blow out all the crevices with an air compressor, hit the vinyl, the fabrics, all that, or sorry, hit the fabrics and carpets with the carpet extractor. This is gonna have to get replaced for sure. I know the one I'm replacing it with is not gonna be great either, but it'll be easier to paint than this. Like, somebody tried to do something here. And I've got these HVAC knobs. God, I hope this is in focus or I'm gonna cry. Focus? Is it in focus? Is this in focus? No. Anyway, got those knobs there. Gonna knob it up. Let's get to it. You might be thinking, why the hell have a little schmutz on you? You might be thinking, why would I wipe everything down and scrub it and then use the extractor and then get the plastics all wet again anyway? Well, it's because it's clean now. Like, I don't have to re-scrub it. And now I can just kind of dress all of the plastics and such, and it'll pretty well take away any of the little stains that the extractor left. So I got these knobs on Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. You just pull these out and put those in. Now granted, sometimes they're a bit of a bitch, so I don't plan on putting these old ones back in. So I don't mind getting them with the old pliers. And they only go in one way, as far as I know, properly at least. That's it. Now you got really nice looking knobs for basically nothing. Yeah. So I'm not looking for the proper method. I'm just looking for quick and easy. Like, I'm just trying to get this thing clean quickly and out of here because time's a ticking. So just gonna try to brighten up these headlights a little bit. I know they need to be pretty gone through. They used to be spray painted black. So not the correct method, but a quick one. These headlights are beat, like they're just destroyed. I need to completely sand through them and re-clear coat them. Let's see, any difference? Yeah, slightly. If there wasn't really any difference, I was just going to be like, screw it, the other one won't even matter, but it's enough that I'll notice. Nice! Still looks like shit. I know this isn't going to make it look perfect or even great, but just better than when I came in is what I'm looking for. I can make the outside look nice another day. Not the correct method, just a fast one. Paint's not going to matter on this car anyway in about a month. You remember what I said before. Perfect. So yeah, the car is all nice and tidy now. I don't know how this focusing is working. It's freaking too dark for me to see this, but editing, I can fix that in editing. Nice and tidy, clean. Stole some Mercedes mats from my work, so falling on a budget now. That's what it's all about. All right, that's the new shit box. You're gonna be seeing a whole bunch more of this stuff. I got a lot of work coming for it. Yeah, new summer toy to drive in the winter when the Crown Vic is stored. If you like the video, give it a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.